Hello everyone. This is going to be a video, basically another video on the SEO optimization for Amazon listing titles. And we have created a few, or you can say a bunch of videos on SEO optimization, which is a really critical part in your rankings. You have to have all the relevant keywords, especially especially in your listing title, to have a better chances of organic rankings when you run Amazon ads. So this is another example, the same brand, Wondrous Car, which we looked at in the earlier brand as well, but this time another listing which we worked on, which we for which we created an SEO optimized title. So you can see this is the title we have at the moment, and you can see the you can see the title that we crafted. Now, this is the title which we basically wrote for this particular listing, and this is the old title it had previously. As you can see, not a lot of keywords in the exact form, which we talk about mostly in our SEO optimization video series, that you need to have the systems or keywords in exact form to have a better chances of ranking, and you need to create as many keyword combinations as you can create. So this is the title we selected, and these are the keywords that we shortlisted, and we utilize these in exact form. We created we created keyword combinations that can have as many systems as possible. So let's look at these. And you can see number one is silicon scar gel, and we can check it on helium 10 as well. Silicon scar gel is basically a big keyword such as this. You can see silicon scar gel has a search volume of 1830, and at the time of creating the title it was roughly close to 2000 search volume. So now it has changed. It is roughly a month old, and in this video we will see basically the change of title and its impact on ranking, how useful the title was, and how much it improved or moved the rankings. So number one is silicon scar gel, and you can see silicon scar gel directly in the exact form. We have then C-section recovery. You can see the C-section recovery, another keyword, and then scar gel already inside this phrase, which is silicon scar gel. So it covers both keywords, silicon scar gel and scar gel. Both have decent search volume. And then we have acne scar treatment. Acne scar treatment, we can see from here, effective acne scar treatment and stretch marks removal cream. Then we have stretch marks removal, another keyword. And then we have scar treatment, which is again, if we do like acne scar treatment, if we add this particular phrase, it contains two keywords, and it covers two keywords in exact form: scar treatment and acne scar treatment. And then we have silicon scar. So when we utilize silicon scar gel, it covers three keywords. If we write this phrase in the exact form, silicon scar gel, it covers three systems: silicon scar gel, and then silicon scar. These are the three systems. All three have like significantly better search volume, and these are covered in our title, so it has a higher ranking use. And then we have the sheet, which we observe like the rankings. Now this is the rankings you can see from August till September for this particular listing, scar gel, right here. We looked at the scar sheet rankings in our previous video, but this video is only about scar gel, the same brand. So you can see some of the keywords, and we'll see how we performed on these, given that we have these keywords in exact. So first look at the silicon scar gel. This is a big keyword, and it has, let's see, the ranking impact of this particular listing um, on our rankings. So yeah, we'll look at the some of the titles. Keywords that we have added in the title and their impact on rankings. So these are the top keywords that we added. We thought it would be good to add these keywords based on their search volume and the title density. These are the two major factors we look at while uh, writing a listing title and making it SEO friendly. Higher the search volume, better it is, and lower the title density, better it is. Higher title density means you will need more orders or more competition you'll face. So, and less title density search terms are easier to rank compared to higher title density keywords. So let's look at the first keyword, silicon scar gel, and see how we did on this particular keyword. So if I search silicon scar gel, will have like silicon scar gel, this particular keyword, over 2000 search volume. And we have so the search volume at the time of writing this title, Helium Time was showing it as this, and now at the moment it's showing like closer to 2000. So it varies, like from each week it varies, month to month it varies, depending on what the keyword nature. So at the moment we have like uh, we were ranking on 2058th number, silicon scar gel, and now we improved our ranks to 11. So that means we improved our ranks on this particular keyword. It was targeted in the exact form previously as well, but we did like we did significant spending on this, and we produced orders against this particular system, so it improved our ranks from 58 to 11. That's a massive improvement, and it has a title density of 24, which is again a very competitive keyword, but still we perform better on this. So let's look at some other keywords such as C-section recovery. This particular keyword is a decent keyword with a search volume of 2072 at the time of creating this title. Let's see what's the search volume. So we do not have it at the moment here. In the So let's see. See it again. Yeah, C-section scar treatment is the keyword. We do not have C-section recovery here, but we still improved the rankings on this particular keyword as well. So let's look at the other keyword, which is scar gel. Let's see if we have this in the scar gel ranking. So yeah, we have it here. The search volume is 1,205 at the time of. Again, it has reduced at the time of writing this title. It was 1,766. But again, we improved the rankings from 81 to 35. And on the other keywords, let's say acne scar treatment, we have it in the exact form. We did not have this particular keyword in the exact form before. As you can see, the older version of this title or this listing, it had acne in the title, but it wasn't in exact form like acne scar treatment. So let's see how we did on this in terms of rankings, and let's search this out. Do we have acne in here? Acne, yeah, acne scar cream and acne scar gel. We do not have acne scar treatment in exact form, but let's see maybe over to helium 10. We can search this keyword over here, acne scar treatment, and see its ranking. So yeah, we have this particular listing in Cerebro, and we its search volume is 734, again reduced to what it was while creating the title. And we have surely um, we have organic rank of 24 on this. Yeah, so we did not have the rankings before, so it was not recorded. The ranking on the August September phase, the keyword wasn't there, so the rankings weren't observed. That means we weren't ranking on this, but now we can see we are ranking on the 24th number on this particular keyword. And it is purely because we have added this in the exact form. As you can see, acne scar treatment is the keyword right here. So that's the power of adding the keywords or search terms in the exact form. You rank really your ranks move really fast and with ease compared to the ranks moving very slow when you have keywords in. You can see we have like um, we have a title density of 5 on this. So you can see we have a title density of 5, and that's why we are ranking higher by just simply adding it into the title. And let's check the other keyword. We have stretch marks removal. Stretch marks removal. um, so let's look at the other keyword. We have acne scar treatment. We have keloid bump treatment is the other keyword that we have, and would like to see its ranking in the ranking sheet first. If it is not there, we'll search it onto the helium 10 and see how we did. So we have it here. Again, you can see the keloid bump treatment before our change wasn't even in the title, but it was like keloid bump. You can see keloid bump, but it wasn't in the exact form keloid bump treatment. So now we have it, and you can see the month before this, before the title, it wasn't even ranked on this particular keyword, this scargel listing. Now it is improved to 14th number. So that's the massive impact it creates, and same is the case with other keywords. For example, stretch marks removal, it wasn't even in the title before. As you can see, there isn't mention of stretch marks removal. So we have like um, we have to have, we do not have it in the sheet. That means we weren't ranking on this. But let's check it in here and see if we improved our rank. Stretch marks removal, it has a title density of 8, which is low, and see the organic rank 16. So that means we have improved again from being nowhere in the list to being on the 16th number. Now that's the impact and that's the power. Again, I'll say it, you need to add keywords in the exact form to rank higher. So, and again, we have the last two keywords which are generic, so we are not sure we'll be ranking higher on this. Since generic keywords have a higher title density and are tough to rank. I mean, in case you are running any ads or producing decent orders on this, then it's totally a different case. But if you do not produce enough keywords or you do not run any ads, sponsored product ads, then it would be difficult to rank. So this is how you basically change a title, make it SEO friendly, and then observe the impact after 30 days, after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever the time frame is. And you also make sure to see it in the system reports and see if you have produced any sales against the particular keywords that you have targeted in the title. So I hope this video is valuable. If you like the video, please make sure to like it and subscribe the channel so that I can keep on creating these type of videos and informative videos for you guys. All right, see you again. Bye.